Hey everyone! Are you looking for a quick and effective remedy for your dog's kennel cough symptoms? I've got a solution for you. Dog owners will agree with me that kennel cough seems to be an extremely worrisome illness in dogs. In actuality, kennel cough in dogs could be compared to a common cold in humans. Research indicates that kennel cough is actually caused by a virus, not a bacteria or disease as originally believed. So, to all of you dog owners out there, no need to worry. Luckily, most cases of kennel cough do not require medical attention. A simple and natural remedy is all you need. Click the link below this video to see how easy it is to cure your dog's kennel cough at home. Click the link below now.